Why is CapEx a key part of F1 team spending? Imagine trying to win a race where every millisecond counts. In Formula One, teams spend huge amounts of money to build the fastest, most reliable cars possible. One of the biggest parts of that spending is called Capital Expenditure, or CapEx. This is the money spent on creating and improving the actual race car and its parts. It includes designing new aerodynamics, building lightweight yet strong chassis, and developing electronic systems that control everything from tire pressure to engine performance. Teams also invest in high-tech equipment like wind tunnels and simulators to test ideas without needing a real car on the track. These tools help engineers refine the car's design to make it faster and more efficient. CapEx is so important because the car is the core of what makes or breaks a team's chances in a race. The better the car, the higher the chance of finishing at the front. Teams spend millions each year on these projects. For example, developing a new engine or aerodynamic package can cost several $1,000,000 and take months of work. They also spend on manufacturing the parts with precision machines that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. These investments are not just about speed but also about reliability. A car that breaks down often will lose races, so teams put a lot into making sure their cars can last through the entire race. In Formula One, there is a budget cap that limits how much teams can spend on performance-related activities. This cap includes CapEx, so teams have to plan carefully. They need to decide how much to spend on research and development, manufacturing, and testing without going over the limit. Managing CapEx well can give a team a technical advantage because they can invest in better parts and technology within the rules. It also helps keep the sport fair by preventing teams from spending unlimited amounts of money to dominate. Operational costs like transporting cars and equipment to races are also part of CapEx. These costs are essential for running a race weekend smoothly. Even driver salaries and marketing expenses are outside the CapEx limit, so teams focus their CapEx on the car and its systems. In the end, CapEx is a key part of how teams stay competitive. It funds the creation and continuous improvement of the race car, which is the main tool for winning races. Balancing these investments with the budget cap is a strategic move that can make or break a team's season. Teams that manage their CapEx wisely can develop better cars and stay within financial rules, giving them a real shot at success on race day.